Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we're just gonna go ahead and unbox this crock pot. Okay guys, so we are in Ollies. Hey guys, I'm starting the vlog. We're in Ollies, but look what I found. I'm starting the vlog kind of late, but I'm only like, I didn't think that I was gonna be able to show you guys anything, but I really like these, and they're white, and they come with a 2-pack. If you guys remember my like Lowe's haul, yeah, and they're $4.99, and then you get 2 of these, so it's so much better. So if you're looking for fabric bins, this is so much better. Oh my god, they got nice. So I figured I'd show you other things and all this because I didn't even know they had all this stuff. So they have like mirrors. This wall mirror is so nice, and it's only $2.99 or $29.99, sorry. And then they have the laundry hamper, and y'all, this is really good quality too. Like, you can pull it out and everything. This is really nice. So I'm keeping this. Oh, I think we're here. I like this. I like the lamp. And then they have just like nightstand stuff. And then on the other side of me, they have mattresses and box springs. So don't sleep, you guys. I decided, let me turn my camera around. I didn't even know they had all this stuff at Ollie's. Also, my hair, check it out, sis. It's the same wig I had on like in a vlog or two ago, but I'll like do a whole video on my hair and everything like that. So yes, you guys. Oh, they have, let's look at Michael over here. There was a juicer. Anyways, I'm gonna keep looking, and if I see something else, I'll show you. So I'm gonna get the pumpkin sauce added to it just to kind of be more like fall-ish.
Good afternoon, and thank you so much for choosing Starbucks on Guest Road.
That's right.
We happily get started for you today.
Can you get me a?
Give me
Ask me if it comes in a Trenta. They're iced chai tea latte.
iced chai tea latte.
Yeah, an iced chai tea latte?
Yeah.
Most certainly. And what size today?
Yeah, see if it comes in a Trenta.
Does it come in Trenton?
I'm sorry, what was that again, sir?
Does it come in Trenton?
Does it come in Trenza? Unfortunately, with
In the venti.
well, actually, I've never ringed it up as a Trenza. So let me see if the I do apologize, but the computer just told me the ventis is largely over that.
That's fine.
That's fine.
And then
Yeah, it's
Can I have
all right. Anything else today?
iced chai tea with 1 pump of the pumpkin sauce
With the pumpkin sauce
and almond milk?
and
You
almond
want the
milk.
pumpkin foam on the top?
The sauce is
Absolutely. We'll do a venti chai tea with the pumpkin foam. Be happy to put that in for you.
I think there's a
Anything else this afternoon?
Is there a pumpkin sauce that comes with your drinks?
Is there pumpkin sauce in the pumpkin drinks? Absolutely. Yep, that's how we make our pumpkin drinks.
Can you add it to the iced chai tea?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Could you add the pumpkin sauce to the chai tea?
Yeah, you want us to add the pumpkin to it as well? Sure. Anything else?
That'll be all.
The almond milk.
Okay, so we have iced chai tea latte with the pumpkin sauce and the pumpkin cream cold foam. Comes out to $6.93 at the window.
I'm a damn pumpkin. Let's go.
Thank you.
Yo, it might be me. I be lost here, man. I see what camera I was talking about. You know what camera I was talking about this shit?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna be confused.
I see what you be talking about, but yeah, this shit too much.
The venti is the biggest
This
size.
shit too much,
So
bro. Small, medium, large.
small is tall, medium is grande, large is
The
petite.
niggas said, can I get a small? She said, okay, tall. The fuck? Small? But mine's small, tall. Tall sounds like a large. It do be a whole lot of questions for a simple ass drink.
Indeed. Are they at the door yet?
Not quite.
All right, $6.93. All right, y'all enjoy it.
Thank you.
That's right.
So guys, this is what it looks like, and if you're gonna order it, this is what it looks like on the spec. I know a lot of people are afraid to like order from Starbucks, but y'all, I got you. So this is a venti. Is this a venti? Which is the tallest size they have in a lot of their drinks. But you can get it in Trenta. I think the green tea frap comes in a Trenta, and that's basically the extra large. Got it? Got it. So it's the venti iced chai tea latte, and I added pumpkin cream and pumpkin sauce just because it's fall. I've never tried it, but I saw it on Pinterest. I want to see what it was working with, so we're gonna try it. Okay, here's my honest opinion. It's not really pumpkiny. I don't really taste too much of it. When I first sip it, it's like fall, and then after a while it kind of just becomes the regular iced chai tea. And if you've ever had chai tea, it's pretty subtle, so I would recommend it if you're not really heavy into like pumpkin stuff, but you want a nice little segue into it. Like, this is the medium between like their regular chai tea and their complete fallout pumpkin, what is it, pumpkin spice latte? Yeah, that. So if you don't want to try that, but you're sick of just drinking regular stuff, try this. Just add a little pumpkin. Just put a little pumpkin on top, okay? But anyways, that's all I got for right now.
Does it have the approval?
No, I like it.
Okay.
I don't even know. The first thing he added, that the, what do you call it? The foam or the pumpkin foam?
Yeah.
I don't know what the heck that was. And then, thank God for him not hearing me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you guys like all the full details on this here. I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can kind of see. I don't know where the sun is. Maybe the sun is this way. Oh, the lighting is this way. So here we go. So the unit that I had, I ended up cutting it. I don't know if the lighting is doing it really like any justice, but it looks definitely like classic Zai. If you knew me before, like cutting my hair off. My edges need some work, okay? I'm not even gonna hold y'all, but y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all the glue I use because it's not working. Y'all know the glue gel I used from the new Cantu products? That's what I used. Michael's coming back. I want to show you guys like a haul of what I got, but I think I'm just gonna wait till I get home to do that. All right, so I want to show you guys a quick haul of what I got from Ollies. It's a little dreary today, but I want to show you guys a quick haul of what I got, and then I'm gonna go eat. But if I go eat first, I'm gonna completely forget. Is the lighting this way? It is, honey. Yes. Okay. I'll be so excited when I find the lighting, because I don't be agreeing.
Like when a rapper found the beat.
Yeah. So, oh, this is what the wig looks like. Y'all can really see it in person. I'll do a y'all see as I move. So the first thing I got is the buttercream frosting candle. I've been getting candles from Bath and Body Works a lot, but even with their sale, I think they have like $10 off. Their candles are still like $14. That's a lot. I could do other things, you know what I'm saying? So, and this is 19 ounces, and the candle is far bigger. Let me show you. Let's do a comparison. Standard Bath and Body Works. Well, this is a white barn candle, but if you know, you know. Listen. So, how many ounces is this? This is 14.5. Okay. This candle was $24.50 or $14.50 probably. I think I did the $10 off. This candle was $7.99. That's why I went to Ollies. Okay. So then the next thing I got. You guys don't care about that. I got like some house stuff, but like, okay. Dish soap, window cleaner, things like that. I don't know, since I have a dog, I don't know if you guys watch me and you have dogs too, but I'm just gonna put this out there just in case it's helpful. They have dog cages. They also have like dog beds if you're just not like a cage person for your animal. It doesn't have to be a cage. They have dog beds too. However, this was $19.99. It was a really good deal. Well, I want to say, yeah, because the old cage she had was maybe about 40 or 30. My mother bought that one, I didn't buy it. But anyways, it looks just like this, your standard cage. But like I said, if you're looking for like inexpensive stuff, Ollies is a good place to shop. It's $19.99. I do buy really expensive stuff, but then there's times where like I actually want to save my money and budget, so you get both on here. Okay, you get both on the channel. But there was something else. What is this called? A fragrance bead or fragrance beads. I've never used them in my car before, but I had showed it to Michael, and I was like, you know, is that? So yeah, you put it under your seat essentially, and you open it. Well, you open it before you put it under the seat, obviously, and then you let it do its thing. This is the packaging, and I just took it out. So this is the sweet and salty caramel. They had the sweet and salty caramel Yankee Candle too. I just decided, oh look, you want to get a little sniff? Anyways, I decided to get one of each scent because I don't want to like, what is this, caramel too? I don't want to pumpkin myself. I mean, what do you call it? I don't want to fall myself out, you know. So I
don't want to fall out with fall.
He said it. I don't want to fall out with fall. But so the candle was buttercream frosting, and this was sweet and salty caramel. It came with this top on it. I'm trying to smell it. I don't know, y'all. I don't even know how I'm supposed to do this. Are you supposed to like poke a? I don't know. But this is definitely the covering. And then, will you just pop this on top or something? Or do you? I don't know. I'm gonna figure this out though, and then I'll put it under my seat. I'll give y'all an update on if the scent did anything, if I would repurchase it, or just the first impressions. But definitely stay tuned. I have more things to unpackage. Let me show y'all real quick. This will all be done in this haul. I mean, in this vlog. But I've been buying stuff, but I haven't been uploading because I had problems with my media and editing, and so it pushed back the videos coming out. But there's other stuff that I have to like show you guys. We'll get to it. We'll get there. That's all for now though. I'm gonna figure out what's wrong with this fragrance beads, y'all. So I went over there for like a split second too, might I add, and I should have brought the camera, but I didn't. This is like maybe 0.5 seconds later. So if you have something like this, you probably won't, but what is it? What do you need to say? You want to go outside? We can go outside. What time is it? It's like 2. We'll go outside. Actually, I gotta put this in the car. So I took the top off, and you just gotta press it down. I don't know if you guys can see, but now there's no like holes. I can't undo it because I don't. Why would I do that? But I'm gonna go put this in my car, and I'm gonna take a go, and then I'll talk to y'all later. I just had to come back and let y'all know it was figured out, you know.
So with all the time that I've had at home, I decided I would get a UV light and get everything I needed to start doing my own nails. You've probably seen in previous vlogs I've had on tips and had different like shapes. That was all me. I'll film a video with all of that, showing you how it works, and I also am doing a giveaway with this UV light.
I always take into consideration how you feel, so I wrote this and meant this. I miss you, but I'm done. I miss you, but I'm done. You just simply not the one, the calm before the storm. You know love has its storms, baby. You know love has its storms. Yes, I miss you. It's been a couple days. Yes, I miss you. My text don't even go through anymore. That shit. You probably block my phone, you hate my music, hate my songs. Valid. You probably stopped doing everything I put you on. Valid. You probably feeling right, but in your heart you know it's wrong. Baby. I feel for your resentment and I understand your tone. Mind full of redemption, second chances non-existent. Now we moving feelings, no you and me, so who you missing? Why we argue love with so much hate, you know it's tough. So why put the work in if you constantly giving up? Tell me, baby. Everything is everything, you treat me like I'm nothing. If everything is everything, what's up with this front? You constantly checking in on me, talking with my friends on me, knowing if you could, you probably put your hands on me. You self-righteous, never right, so why you like this? You so abusive, so ironic that I can't fight this. It's cause and effect, you always on my neck, always on my mind. Me knowing it's a threat, and me being me, I just deal with this shit. And you being you catch a thrill from the shit. You know I miss you, but I'm done. I miss you, baby. Yeah, you just simply not the one.
Hello, you're not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
It's been a couple days. Yes, I miss you. What you doing, babe?
I still miss the way you smile. Remember the way you carried me across the river. But somehow I slipped. Socks so wet, you took the piss out of me. I laughed at myself. You looked in my eyes and said I deserve to be smiling every day. Because of you, I smile every day. I wouldn't have it any other way. Give me another hour, give or take. And although I saw you yesterday, just know that I still miss you.
I'm just calling to let you know that this, me and you can no longer be. I'm sorry for the way it fell out, and you know that shit hurts me more than it hurts you, probably.